Hey everybody, welcome to Mammoth Interactive's YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. And remember that this channel doesn't do Patreon. Instead, we sell our digital courses down below. And every single dollar that we get from the products you buy below goes into making more content. The best way to help out this channel and Mammoth Interactive is to subscribe to Mammoth Interactive's huge library of content. Get thousands of hours and hundreds of courses for a low price down below. We have a monthly option and a yearly option. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the video.
Alright, so in the last tutorial I showed you how to add in an auto fire. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change that auto fire when you pick something up. Alright, so it's pretty simple. One thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a variable, and this variable is going to be called fire rate. Okay, and you just want to make sure you spell that correctly. Fire rate. And you can see that the name's already in use, so I think it's probably better that we call this, we'll call this fire rate timer, and we'll call this one fire rate. Okay, it has to be a float. Compile it so you can see this little thing here. And the fire rate now will be maybe 1 second. Okay, so what's going to happen here is I'm going to just simply drag that out here. And all we're going to do is we're going to change that up. Right? So either you can shoot every time you press, or the fire rate is 1. But what we want to do is add in a pickup that will change this. Well, this is actually super simple to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and add in a blueprint class, make it an actor here. We'll call this pickup cube. Okay, and it's going to do exactly what it is. So let's go ahead, let's add in a cube. Right, and then we can maybe make it some cool color here like gold. And seems to be not a lot of materials. I didn't make this one with the starter content, so I'm just going to add that quickly. Alright, so now that that's been added, I have a video on that, by the way, so please be sure to like and subscribe and check out the channel so you can see that video. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in a collision here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to say overlap all dynamic. So that way you can kind of run over this cube here. So we got the pickup cube here. All right, we'll move that over here. And you can basically pass through it. If you don't pass through it, anything where you do pass through, you can essentially you can see that I can pass through it, and that's what you want. Because let's hop into the event graph here, and I'm going to delete everything but this begin overlap player here, and what I'm going to say is cast to first person character. Okay, we're going to drag in that option here, and let's see. So if the other actor is the first person character, then, well, first of all, we're going to destroy actor. Okay, so we're going to destroy that. So let's just see if that works, right? So, boom. Okay, good. So we now know that that works here. The second thing, and by the way, we should usually do that at the end. You should usually destroy the actor the last thing you do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get the fire rate. Okay, and what's actually really cool is you can actually get this function called fire rate timer. So you can actually get it here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the fire rate. Okay, and then I'm going to set it to 0.1. Okay, and all this is going to do, and then I'm going to destroy it here. And all this is going to do is set this variable here, fire rate, to 0.1. Okay, so basically, you can see that it doesn't fire very much. And then it basically adds it in there. Okay, so that's actually really cool. And that's how you add in a pickup. So that is something that I think is quite good to use and quite good to do. Obviously, you want to have anything that's related to the player in a variable that you need here. And this is how you set up a looping tutorial, or a looping montage, so that you can actually fire many first-person projectiles, right? Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.